Jai Hind. I'm Vedanand Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to discuss about the chapter name is Air Around Us. This is for class 6 science and I'll discuss all the questions of that exercise. So please look at the question. The first question is list 5 activities that are possible due to presence of air. So the answer of the question is the process of photosynthesis is occur in the presence of air. Second is respiration. Third is combustion of fuel. Next is sailing of boats and airplanes. And next is power generation from the windmills. All these are happens in the presence of air. Now the second number question is what is the composition of air? Means you have to explain what are the composition of air, means what are the basic uh, particles present in air. The answer is water vapor, oxygen, nitrogen gas, carbon dioxide, dust and smoke. These are the composition of air. Now question number third is which gas is in atmosphere is essential for respiration. Question is asking which is gas is necessary for the respiration, means taking breathing, means its answer is oxygen is necessary. Now the question number fourth is how will you prove that air supports burning, means how would you support that air helps in burning of something, that is it helps in combustion. The answer is take two burning candles and take place them on a table and now cover one candle with a inverted glass tumblers. See what observation you will get. It will be noticed that the candle covered with an inverted glass tumbler blows out after some times, whereas the other candles continues to burn. This is a complete answer of this question. Now the next question number 5. Question number 5 is how will you show that air is dissolved in water? Means how can you show that air is present in water? See what we'll do. We'll do some experiment activities. All do the activities. Take some water in a glass vessel. After that, heat it slowly on a tripod stand. We'll keep that vessel on tripod stand and we'll heat there. Look carefully at the inner surface of the vessel before reaching its boiling point. The tumbler air starts rising from the bottom to surface. These bubbles comes from the air dissolved in water, means whatever the bubbles will come out, that is it will show that the bubbles is come from the water. This is the correct answer for the question. Now question number 6 is how do plant and animal help each other in exchange of gases in atmosphere, means generally how an animal and plants are interdependent on each other in terms of gas exchange. Now the answer is gas are exchanged internally at the tissue surface, means gas is generally exchanged from the tissue surface, and the animals release carbon dioxide into the surroundings atmosphere and take up oxygen while respiration, whereas plants release oxygen and consume the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Generally what happens whenever we we breathe out the carbon dioxide, and the carbon dioxide is basically used by plant, and plant give us oxygen. So we are means indirectly we are interdependent on each other. Now question number 7 is fill in the blanks, means you have to fill in the blanks. The question is first the composition of air by green plants make their food is what? Carbon dioxide is a correct answer. You have to fill with the carbon dioxide. Now the second number is the layer of air around the earth is known as atmosphere. You have to fill up the atmosphere is a correct answer for the question. Now the third, soil is a natural body synthesizer over the time from mixtures of dash and dash materials, means you have to fill up the minerals and organic. This is a correct answer. Now the next is rat dash is a borrowing animal that lives within the soil, means you have to fill up with the rat is a correct answer for the question. Now the question number 5, the major component of air is dash, means the major component of air is nitrogen present about 78% in our atmosphere. Now question number 8, what do you mean by humidity? This is a simple question, means this is the amount of water vapor in the air, I mean whatever water vapor that is present in air, that is called humidity. Now the 9 number question, choose the most appropriate answer, means there is a MCQ there, you have to select anyone. First is which of these not a organ for taking oxygen? The answer of the question is atmosphere is not an organ. All these are the organ for different animals. Now the next is which of these following gases protects us from ultraviolet rays. Means there are four options are there which helps us to protect from the ultraviolet ray. The answer of the question is ozone. Ozone help us to protect from the ultraviolet ray. With this in Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.